ve vzdáleném kvadrantu galaxie. Základna Hero Factory je napadena. Odpověď hrdinů je blesková. Ale krutý pán ohně a jeho přisluhovači jsou silnější.
Zbraně selhaly, ústup!
Hrdinové jsou v pasti.
Já je zdržím.
Surge se statečně obětuje, aby ostatní mohli uprchnout. Mezitím v Hero Factory vědci a experti se ze všech sil snaží vyvinout nové, ještě dokonalejší hrdiny. Stormer, Furno a Breeze jsou znovu v akci a spěchají na základnu. Silnější než kdykoliv předtím. Splní hrdinové svoji misi? Bojuj i ty. Nové Lego Hero Factory. Více se dozvíš na Lego webu.
New Lego Hero Factory. Deadly scorpions are threatening to destroy a jungle planet, but the animal-powered heroes are ready. Stormer, with the strength of a white rhino. Eagle-eyed Furno uses a plasma bow, and with lion powers is Rocker XL. The vicious Scorpio appears, and the battle begins. But the heroes are kings of the jungle. New Lego Hero Factory. Each set sold separately. New Lego Hero Factory. An evil witch doctor has cast a powerful spell to control the galaxy's creatures. But the animal-powered heroes are ready. Next with razor-sharp tiger blades. Bulk with wolf speed and strength. And lion-hearted Rocker face up against the sharp-shooting witch doctor. Eager for action, the heroes leap into the jungle to take on the savage beasts and triumph over evil. New Lego Hero Factory. Each set sold separately.
cool because this camera's been acting up lately. So yeah, but yeah, what was actually the hardest to do was get the bulky armor and if you can see them, these ammo belts, in fact what we're going to do is better. Yeah, those ammo belts, that was a pain in the behind. But yeah, as you can see, before I painted the red on the edges, his head is the orange, considering, because I do not have the red one. One of these days I'm actually going to get a real red head and put it on this guy, but as of now I don't have one. And I'm going to give you a quick 360 view of him. The extra armor on the back. So yeah, I'm going to take off his gun. There. And just look at him for a little bit. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with the armor. The armor's real cool because, well, it's spray painted. It took me quite a while to find the right shade of brown, but I finally did get the brown. And also, like I said, it was a pain in the behind getting these things on, and I'll take off the back panel so you can kind of see how I did it. As you can see, there's just those little hands and they go out from there. And I don't have it on there, but on the original version of it, it was crisscross. And I had little things sticking out here to help hold the ammo belts in place. And where I got the idea for the ammo belts is he is the, I guess, the leader, or not really the leader, the person in charge of the armory, person who makes sure things don't get stolen or things like that. So yeah, that's kind of where he got the ammo belt, because he's in charge of the ammo and stuff like that. So yeah, in his elemental power, everyone has that, and I don't think I've actually been mentioning those, but his is magma. I think I also have another one that's magma. Hang on, let me look. I have a book, a Hero Factory book that I keep all this information in. Ladies. Oh, no. His power isn't magma, it's stone. Okay, sorry about that. It's actually stone. But let's see. Where did I get the? Oh yeah, the fire, because he's fighting a villain, which I have not made yet, named Magmus, that practically lives in a volcano. So yeah, that's where I got the lava. So yeah, and that's also kind of where I got the extra armor. There's no armor on these pieces, but it still looks pretty cool. And now I'm going to scoot him aside and look at the gun. The gun or rifle really wasn't that hard to make. It's practically just a series of parts, I'll get over there, leading together to a couple of these pieces, which have a bit of brown Sharpie on them. A way to hook them on so that looks right. Now you may be wondering, what piece is that right there? That's actually kind of a custom piece. Do not try to make this, get this. It's actually a actual Lego piece, but don't try to get this thing because it is kind of behind to get. But what it is on the Lego, what's it called? But what it is it's the piece from the power functions. That's what it's called, power functions. But in the there's like a on-off switch. Like there's a switch I took to it, and so you can have the power box on, but you flip it forward for one way, other way for other way, and then in the middle for off. That's the lever switching piece. Like I used to have some power function stuff, but it like broke or wouldn't work, so I just smashed it up and got this out of it. But yeah, that's what that is. I just have it there at the end of the gun to attach to these. Now there are more ways to do that, but it includes more pieces, and I can make it that way. It's just a pain in the behind to find all those pieces, or pieces, I almost said. I said a mixture between pizza and pieces. My tongue just doesn't want to work today, but yeah. Then it was also kind of pain to get the handle